Agwani ni mime mwani ibwajo engineers o meke drillers o me aya mesu peti ngelowa manya ne aya chwa borehole o ha me mweno machine menye here no ne drilling machine nye here no ne wa he ne ma hinyo wa na nyugidigeme ne ba nyugidigeme nge ba nyugidigeme nge ba ibwajo lo achwa ha me mweno lo ke wa he nyani by Friday o engineers o me ke mesi me maya na ma platform ne by Monday next week o amaya fix hand pump o ha me ne by Monday amaboni you use me no ila madenye lo wa ya chwa borehole han ai mesu peti cheme mweno right new ba fun wa nesu new fun lo by Friday I'm happy platform and by Monday I'm a fix hand pump. So by Monday le and the money new amani money new use me no enyi mi come ni dey da no ke lower money MCE neji Mr. Simon ke lower money MP neji Mr. Telabi a zogbime alo zopewe me wa man no chwa me ke ni man no na man me che da no na bia komoji me ne su vote mi be local ma lejon wa man pay me ke zopewe me wa man pay me wa man sika chu no man ya ni chu me ani chu mi wa man chu me lo ipa ni pe ke wa gbe no yan school ko Noaso Anglican school ko yo fia ne last year December ton ne ko yo tracing le men ke di classroom no block o me no ne an MC yo che MC ne ori ahie ache nad mo che na na ahie sa pe we no ko an me story de lu na pe we no ko ngai lo ko agbe no yan next week o wa mo ye ko mo ni mo la zingli ko ho melo wa mo ni mo la ni ko me ho na akedra achu me ni me apu emelolo na use ka su be ni amanye mamahi lo ka ni dio ke wa lower monya MC yo ne nad mo che me bi no ko pay ha wo lower monya MP abi no go pay yo amanye wo lower no amanye pay ko ne ko su vote me bi yo aba wa me blo ke su vote me bi yo aba na wa do ko vote me right lo ike ma ni nyele lo nyechum no fe no ko ne chusika no fe no ko ne share poster ike ma halachum nyechum ka. Hi guys, today I'm very excited, I'm very happy. The engineers and the drillers went to Mesukpeti to drill the borehole for them. Luckily, we got water close to the surface, so I'm really happy. So by Friday, the masons and the engineers will go and build the platform, and hopefully by Monday the hand pump will be fixed. So by Monday, the people at Mesukpeti will be able to use the water, the hand pump. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. As I always say, if our leaders, the lower money MCE, Mr. Simon, and the lower money MP, Mr. Oklete Telabi, if they are not ashamed for us to be doing this for them, for us to be doing their job for them, they should be there. We'll be doing it. Right? If they are not ashamed, we'll be doing it. This is their job. So if we have to contribute money to be doing this work for them, to be doing their job for them, they should be there. We'll be doing it. If it's election time, we are waiting for them. It's election time. They should come and tell us to vote for them. We'll be waiting for them. I want to thank everybody that donated. I want to thank everybody that shared the post. I want to thank everybody. Thank you so much. Now, after this project, we'll be moving to Noaso Anglican Primary and JSS. Now, a wind blew off their classroom roofs since last year, December. They called on the lower Manya MC, Mr. Simon, and they called on the lower Manya MP to come and help them. They ignored them. Right? They went there to look at it, and since then they've done nothing. Now the students are running shifts, right? Because they don't have enough rooms, right, at the school. So the students are now running shifts. So next week we'll try and see if we can buy them some roofing sheets and some other stuff for them to be able to roof the broken roofs, so that the students will be able to have enough space to learn, right? If our leaders will not do it, we'll keep doing it for them. And then election time, we'll be waiting for them to come and beg us to vote for them. We'll be waiting. Thank you so much for everybody that donated. Thank you. Thanks so much.